Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. Just wanted to circle back and take a look at the sentiment survey results for this current week. As you recall, last week we had a fairly lengthy discussion about the climactic reading that we received from the sentiment survey last Thursday. This week we saw a little bit more of a moderation, kind of more of a return to the mean. We're still very much overdone on the upside here as far as the readings go, but we've pulled back from that climactic 50+% reading in bulls. This is kind of a little bit unfortunate, I think, actually, because I was hoping that we were going to get another very strong reading that we could really start to build something on for a possible meaningful turn down in equities, where we could get a downtrend going and hopefully just shake things up here a little bit and get a trend, but a different trend to start playing off of. Doesn't mean it can't happen, but I think we need to really take a look at what we get again next week to see if maybe we get one more little push back to the upside here, just load some more bulls into this. As you recall, back in the previous discussion that we had a week ago, and I would definitely recommend you take a look at that if you haven't yet. There have been periods where we get 50+% bulls sustained for a number of weeks in a row. And in fact, when you do that, then you tend to get the best move to the downside. So while this is a little bit disappointing that we're down below the 50% level, we're still relatively high here. I think if you're looking for the bear case to build, I think the one thing that you can point to is that the real net change was really only from the bulls, who lost 4.3%. They went into the neutral column. They did not go into the bearish column, which takes a little bit more time to reverse back up and get bullish again. So what they did was take kind of a baby step backwards here, rather than starting to get actually bearish. So our bear number did not grow in this last reporting period. So if you're looking for evidence that the bear case may be building for the market, remember this is a contraindicator. I think that would be the one thing that you'd want to point to. So let's again see if we can get that bullish number back up above 50% and print that up there for another week. Now remember, one of the key things that you have to have is you really want to see that neutral column real skinny. You really want to see just a lot of bulls, and you want to see that the people who are undecided off of that. It's those undecided people that can provide bids on the way down if the market does start to come down. What you really want to see is you really want to see them fully entrenched in the bull column where they're already long and they've got little buying power left. But that'll be again what we're going to have to check out next week. So until next week, this has been Rich Derrick for tradesight. Thanks for listening.